you can go ahead and use the 3D offset profiling. Now, one thing about the 3D offset profiling, it's not calculating arcs. And I think there's no option to calculate arcs in it. So that way is one downside, but the cut pattern more than makes up for that.
You know, I mean, the main reason is the 3D offset is on sculpted surfaces and it's on, you know, arbitrary planes. So that's probably, and you can probably do it in the Toolpath editor too. There's an arc fitting command, especially if you have the Pro configuration, you can go and do the Toolpath editor and go to global edits and do an arc fit. That's one way of doing that. You need that.
Okay, I'm not going to do that. It might take some time. We're at the end, but yeah.
No, it's pretty quick. It's actually pretty quick. You can run, yeah.
Okay. Fit arcs to toolpath. Okay.
You might want to, loosen that tolerance a bit. Yeah.
And let's pick okay.
Yeah, see the planes, again, you don't have that many planes here. There's only
so
principal planes.
Let's just talk about this for a second. So what we're talking about is, let's look at just the elevation view. You don't, in the bottom, you know, it's not really that bad, but if you look at the top, you've got the path just wandering all over the place. In order to fit arcs, they have to lie on the XY plane, okay? So none of this here. So none of that really lies on the XY plane. Let's go up here. So in this case, we do fit arcs because it's going, you know, in the X direction or the XZ plane. So you can fit arcs on any of the three principal planes. So we can fit arcs there. And let's look at the 3D offset profiling. Yeah, there we go. So you see that if the cut path is not lying on any of the principal planes. So it's dipping down around here, and it's, even though it looks straight over here, but it's being calculated based on the NURB surface. So it's not exactly on the plane. So it's not going to add them to that. But, you know, the cut pattern and the benefits you get from this is really offsets the fact that you may not get as many arc motions as you might want, but you're going to get a great surface finish in there. So I'm not sure if the arcs would really get you a whole lot more in this case, because in the parallel finishing, this really comes in handy because you're only constrained to go in one direction. So fitting the arcs in there is very, very valuable to get a good surface finish when you can only cut, you know, in one direction, you know, and then the other direction, obviously. Okay. Any other questions, Joe? It looks like we're right at the end.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Okay. Oh, one other thing I want to mention. Sorry, Joe. One thing I want to mention, if you want the part files for this model and this setup and everything, just drop us an email and we'll send you the files. You can practice with it on your own. Okay.
Thank you all, and we'll see you next month.
Okay. Take care. Have a good day, everyone.
All right. Bye-bye.